Shugor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
O Presiden ke Hill State People's Democratic Party uba KP Pangniang ulaong baka jingelang hapadeng ke UDP bat ke Hspdp hapo kan lama jang ke Regional Democratic Alliance kabalalong mentakasngi ke henyo trik unaiwing kalong ke basngotenan ha ke bakile yo banyak keren halor ki benta bat ki kam ki bakongsan ki bedai bat ke jing penklan ya ke RDA uba Pangniang uliat huru bah ketika jingelang kile keren ru hagabe dei bat kajing penkrek jong kitiki artli ki seng ya ke election MP ka bahapo ke syatri jong ka RDA Hynrei hagabe dei pat bat kajing trelang jong kitiki artli ki seng ha ke election MDC ka banwan kampat don setia kanu kajing ya keren Habakeli la hatu Kyrtong ke RDA nega benta ke election MP undai nega seng UDP uba Pangniang ulaong ba lada udai Kyrtong nega seng UDP ne seng Hspdp ru Pher Hynrei kum kekinhon RDA kan ya keren bat Shim lang ya Kajuh karai.
As we have already discussed earlier, sometime in the month of May 2023. So today we had a very good and cordial meeting in between the two parties, and we have decided and we have resolved some of the important issues of the RDAs of the RDA. First of all, we have reconstituted the office bearers of the RDA. We have elected Sri Merba, the president of the UDP, to be the chairman of this RDA, and Sri Martel Mukim, who is the MDC of Hspdp, as the co-chairman, and elected secretary Mr. KP Pangniang, and the assistant secretary Mr. Titus Terwell Kine, and we have also decided that other 6 members to be elected from the UDP party and 5 more members to be elected from the Hspdp party in order to have a full body of office bearers and members of this RDA. That is the decision we have taken today in this meeting. Other issues that we have also discussed at length, that each party, they will take a call how to proceed ahead the preparation of the MP election under the umbrella of the RDA. And meeting today has decided that we will inform to each and every members of both the parties, Hspdp and UDP, that we will rebuild again this alliance, strengthening this alliance, and we will allow also to discuss the preparation of the MP election by having internal discussion of each party. That is the decision we have taken today.
So we need to understand that the UDP and the Hspdp will be working together under the umbrella of RDA for the upcoming Lok Sabha election, and what about the MDC election?
We have not yet discussed the preparation of MDC election, but as we have aware of the fact that the last MLA election and the MDC election 2019 also, we have a mutual understanding in between the RDA. Even though we did not take a people alliance or sharing of seats, but under the umbrella of the RDA, we have a mutual and close understanding. That is that we have been practiced in the previous election. So, but the upcoming MDC election, so we will have thorough discussion in these coming days. But See, today we have discussed clearly, since we are in the RDA umbrella, any candidate from either Hspdp party or UDP, we will decide together. They will come forward to inform in the RDA meeting. So we have no problem with the so-called symbol of this election or MP election or candidates. But if this party receive interested candidates for the MP election, let the party inform the RDA and will take a collective decision.
So that means UDP also will be coming up with names and as well as
Yes.
the HSPDP.
Definitely.
So HSPDP will also be proposing
Yes.
names of the candidates. So can you tell us who will be the probable names
See,
to be
as of
proposed by
today-
your party?
As of today, we have not yet disclosed the name because we have decided let both the parties initiate whatever aspirant candidate comes forward, and then finally we'll inform to the RDA, then we'll take a collective decision.
So how many people have approached your party for the
As of
MP
now,
elections?
we have no information at all because today we have already taken a decision for inviting candidate or informing whatever candidate come forward to contest the MP election. So we left to the sweet will of both the parties to initiate the candidate and let them inform to the RDA to take a collective decision. That is the decision we have taken today. That's all.
One candidate. Is this what your party has decided?
Yes, as I have informed, both the parties, they will initiate or identify the candidate and they will inform to the RDA for collective decision. That's all that we have taken decision today.
Is there any...
So that is
See,
the question.
you get my point now. If the Hspdp has a candidate, no problem, they will inform the RDA. If and when the UDP has aspirant candidate, they will initiate, they will tell us and they will inform the RDA and we will take a collective decision.
Okay, so there was no decision as such?
No
that
restriction.
both the
It should be
parties-
from this party, it should be from that party, we have no say at all.
Or that
But
both parties will contest? Is there any possibility that both parties will be contesting the MP election?
That's not possible at all. Please get my point. We have no restriction to any party to have a candidate, but whatever decision we'll take, we will take collectively by the RDA. Either from a candidate if available from the Hspdp or from the UDP. But we will be under the umbrella of RDA and will take collective decision.
So-
I think I am not mistaken to tell you. One again. Kashay kata baong mga nane ba yaw candidate ngi sa yakren shay ngi manjur lang kati nagno ka pakitan. That's all.
Last question, to also seek the support of other regional political parties, since you have decided to go together to the for the Lok Sabha polls.
Yes, we keep open space. If another regional parties come to work together, we are openly welcome, and we are it is most welcome to all. That is the decision from the okay.
Thank you.